Some cars are rare, some are beautiful. And then there's the Hirohata Merc, a car that didn't just define custom culture, it created it. Born in 1953, the Hirohata Merc started life as a stock 1951 Mercury 8, but in the hands of master customizers George and Sam Barris, it was transformed into a rolling masterpiece. Commissioned by Bob Hirohata, a young Navy veteran with a love for cars and style, this wasn't just another hot rod. This was art on wheels. Everything about the Hirohata Merc was revolutionary. Its roofline was chopped low and sleek, giving it that unmistakable lead sled silhouette. The door handles were shaved, the side windows custom crafted, and that signature two-tone green paint, instantly iconic. The body flowed like liquid metal, perfectly smooth, impossibly cool. Underneath the beauty was performance too. It was powered by a Cadillac V8, a bold swap at the time, giving it both presence and muscle. It wasn't just built to show, it was built to drive. In fact, Hirohata took it cross-country, from California to Indianapolis and back, while turning heads the whole way. The Hirohata Merc wasn't just a custom car, it was a cultural moment. It landed on magazine covers, wowed crowds at shows, and became the blueprint for what a proper custom should be. It helped launch the West Coast custom car movement and turned the Barris brothers into legends. Over time, the car passed through a few hands and even spent years in storage, nearly forgotten. But in a twist worthy of Hollywood, it was rediscovered, restored, and now lives on as one of the most historically significant custom cars ever built. The Hirohata Merc is more than metal and paint. It's attitude, it's vision, it's the soul of an era, frozen in steel.